Sawadika, welcome to Learn Thai with Piroon. I am Piroon. Today we are going to learn Thai vowels. And the one that we're going to learn is going to be short vowels for today. Next one will be the long vowels. So the first one is ua. 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 For example, the word ua. Wa. Wa. O. 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 Ya. Ya. E. 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 U. 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 I. I. A. A. Okay. So the position of the consonant is the dash. For example, the word ja. A. And I put the jojan here. So represent the sound of ja. Ja is low tone. Notice no tone mark here. But if the middle class consonant, which is jojan, plus with the short vowels, it will make the low tone if you don't have the final consonant. It will be the low tone. Shall we summary one more time? Okay. A. I. U. U. E. E. Ya. O. O. Ua. Ua. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope it's useful. So enjoy your day and thank you for watching. And if you think it's helpful, please click likes and subscribe to my channel and click the bell for the notification for the next video. Next time I'm gonna do the long vowels. Okay, thank you and hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye now. สวัสดีค่ะ